Hello friends, in the last class we have learned about how to draw a circle and I have given you a task to draw a rainbow using turtle. So those who have draw the rainbow, so congratulations, and those who have tried, well tried, I will tell you the command how to draw the rainbow. First I will search for Python and import turtle, then t equal to turtle dot pen. Then this window has failed, so I will put this window here. For drawing the rainbow, I will do t dot begin underscore fill. Then I will tell the color t dot color. First color that comes in rainbow is red. Red. Then enter. See, now it is red. Now I will make the circle. T dot circle of 150 radius. Then see, the circle is made. Now I will t dot end underscore. T dot end underscore fill. Then enter. See, now it is filled with the color red. Now I will turn it left. T dot left 90 degrees. Enter. Then T dot forward by 10 pixels. Then T dot right by 90 degrees. Then I will do T dot begin underscore fill. Then I will tell the color T dot color orange. Then see, now the cursor is of orange color. Now I will make circle. T dot circle of 140 radius. See, now the circle is made. Now I will fill color in it. T dot and underscore fill. See, now I will turn it left. T dot left by 90. Why? I can also copy T dot left. Now I will copy it. Then I will paste it. See, then enter. T dot forward by 10. Then enter. Then T dot right. Now I will change the color. T dot color yellow. Enter. See, now the cursor is of yellow color. Then I will make the circle. T dot circle of radius 130. Then enter. See, now the circle is made. So I will end fill. Now I will end t dot t underscore and fill. Now I will copy it. Then enter. It is not filled with the color, so I will try one more time. T dot. I have not put begin fill, so I will put begin fill. Begin underscore fill. Enter. T dot and underscore fill. Then now I will copy it and then paste here. And then enter. Then I will copy T dot color yellow. Then enter. Now it is done. So now I will do the next color. T dot T dot left. T dot forward by 10 pixels. Then I will copy this. T dot right. Then now I will change the color. T dot color. So I will T dot begin fill. Begin underscore fill. Then T dot color. The next color is green. See, now the cursor is green. So now I will make the circle. T dot circle of 120 radius. 120 radius. Then enter. Then I will do T dot and fill. T dot and underscore fill. Enter. Now I will copy this. T dot left 90 degree. Then paste it here. Then enter. Then I will forward it. T dot forward. Then paste it. Now I will turn it right. Yes. Then I will paste it. Then enter. Now I will change the color. T dot begin fill. Begin underscore fill. Then I will change the color. T dot color. Now the next color is blue. Blue. Now enter. Now see the cursor is now blue. Now I will make the circle. T dot circle 110. 110 radius and enter. See now I will do T dot. Now I will copy it. T dot and fill. Now I have copied it. Now I will paste it. Then enter. See now it is filled with the blue color. Now I will left it. Then paste it here. Then enter. Then I will copy T dot forward. Then copy and paste it. Then enter. Now I will turn it right. Enter. Then I will do T dot begin fill. Then enter. Now I will change the color. T dot color indigo. Indigo. Then enter. Then I will do T dot circle. Then paste it. Now I will write 100. Then enter. See now the circle is made. Now I will do copy T dot and fill. Then paste it here. Enter. See now it is filled with this color. So we will turn it left. Copy. Then paste. Enter. Then enter. Then I will copy T dot forward by 10 pixels. Then paste it. And then enter. Then I will copy T dot right by 90 degrees and then paste it. Enter. Now I will copy T dot begin fill and paste it here and then enter. Now then enter. Now I will copy T. I will write T dot color. Now the next color is violet. Now the last color is violet. Violet. Now then enter. Then I will T dot circle. This much I will copy. Then paste. Then I'll write how much radius it should be 90. Then enter. Then I will copy T dot and fill and paste it here. Then enter. Now I will copy T dot left and then paste it and then enter. Now I will T dot forward and then paste. Then I will enter. Now I will copy T dot right 90 degrees. Now paste and then enter. Then I will T dot begin fill, copy, then paste, then enter. Then I will choose the color, copy, then paste. Then the color is the last one to be white. Then enter. Then enter. Now I will copy T dot circle. Now I will copy T dot circle Then paste it here. Then how much it should be? 80. Now then enter. See now this, and I will do t dot entry. Copy, then paste. Enter. See, our rainbow is made. So those who have made this rainbow, congratulations. And I will see you in next video. Bye.